Hello and welcome to the EEPROM 9. I got this Hunter 16 as spare parts to try and fix my 1680s that have died. My Hunter 1680s. At least one of them, because the other one kicked the bucket in the end and smoked some components inside. But little did I know I would end up restoring the Hunter 16. The case is pretty much a write-off, but there's some stuff I can still salvage from it. The back's dented in, the front's smashed in. I'm hoping the keyboard membrane's okay, so I can salvage that. The LCD was totaled, but the motherboard was fine, and the beeps it made when I put in batteries in it were very hopeful. So, what did I do? Well, I took apart one of my dead Husky Hunter 16/80s, the number 2 unit that you will remember as being dead. The batteries leaked in there on the motherboard. I had to get a replacement LCD, and the Hawk has the actual panel bonded to the board. So I literally had to take the board out, and you can actually see it there where it's bonded to the board. And I had to literally take all those little tabs off and do it with the actual LCD module and put it in there. Hence the Hawk now has a total LCD in it. So I'll be on the hunt for another one of these LCDs, but the Hawk was DOA, dead on arrival. I got in a batch of other Huskies and I just probably smashed my computer monitor there. That was clever. Raspberry Pi, you do not belong on the floor. Stop being an arse. But we now have a Hunter 16 that works. I've taken 3 dead machines and made 1 working machine out of it. And that makes me happy. Now I can't change the labelling to Hunter 16 there, but I will swap over the labelling on the back here because this all looks removable with a bit of heat treatment and careful prying. I can change that to the one on the back of the 16 because this case is intact and it works a treat. So yeah, we have another Husky Hunter back from the grave, and the motherboard in this is good. So yeah, aside from that, there's not really much else to say. Just another computer fixed. We like that. Do need to replace the battery though, because the battery in here is all leaky and nasty and needs to be nuked and destroyed, and the alkali neutralised, all that good jazz. But I'm not going to do that tonight, although I am going to pull the battery off the other boards. That's good. Thanks for watching.